狼心狗肺，狼心狗肺。
It is dog again. This time one more animal is in the idiom. It is wolf. Wolf and dog. How can you think of good meaning? Surely not. It is used to comment or scold someone who did a very bad thing. In English, we can translate it into be as cruel as a wolf, cruel and unscrupulous or brutal and cold-blooded. Its direct translation is heart of wolf and lungs of dog. It implies he looks like human apparently, but his inner being is like a beast. For example,
佢出面唔止有個二奶，仲要拋妻棄子，真係狼心狗肺啊！佢出面唔止有個二奶，仲要拋妻棄子，真係狼心狗肺啊！
In English, it means he does not only have a secret mistress, but also flung away his wife and children. He is really heart of wolf and lungs of dog. There is a common expression look like this idiom. It is
俾個良心佢當係狗肺，俾個良心佢當係狗肺。
It means regard my kindness as malice. For example,
俾個良心佢當係狗肺，幫咗佢仲要受佢氣。俾個良心佢當係狗肺，幫咗佢仲要俾佢鬧。
In English, it means he regarded my kindness as malice. I helped him, but was scolded by him. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time.